welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is gonna be a little bit different. As you guys already see on the title of this video is we're gonna do an unboxing. So not sure if this is still a thing, or probably some of you guys are already getting bored because I already did unbox a few items on this channel. But anyway, here is the bag that we are going to unbox. So here is the box right here, and then I'm just gonna open this up. So let's just remove this, and here is the item right here. Let me just put this in here. Are you guys ready for this? So the item that I'm going to show you is this beautiful bag right here. So let me just remove everything that's on the inside. So this bag is, hold on. So this is the Picatinny bag in size 22. So this is my first bag on this size. I had the 18 already, and actually I've been using this bag already, and I just did a late unboxing because I got busy this past few days. And so here is the item. I got this one in color gray, and like I said, I already did I already unboxed this, and I already used this bag, but this is the first time that I'm doing it on camera, and I really love this bag so much. So what I did is I just put the lock right here, and I already put the clochette as well on the inside of this bag. It's really nice. It's so gorgeous. I really love this. And there's nothing much I can say with this bag because just like I said, I already use it. On the inside, there is the Hermes logo right here. Not sure if you guys can see that, but anyway, there's the logo right there. On the inside, it's all white in here, and this part is just a raw leather. I didn't put any organizer on this bag yet, but probably soon I'm gonna order some. But anyway, here are some of the items that I put on the inside of this bag. So I do have this one, of course, my catch all stuff thing. So this is my Coach Nolita 15. So I'm gonna put this inside this bag. Let me just put everything in here. I also have the boogie wipes in here. I also have my Marc Jacobs sunglasses, and I have my Hermes Burn compact wallet, and of course I have this one. This pocket right here, this is actually my daughter's hair ties and sanitizer. So this is what the bag looks like when it fills up on the inside. So still spacious. You can actually put a lot more stuff in here. I would say if I'm gonna compare this between size 18 and size 22, I love both sizes, and you guys already know, if you guys have been with me for a while, is I do love mini bags. So I can't believe that I'm saying this, but if you guys been following me for a while, you guys know that I'm really into smaller bags. But for some reason, on this size 22, this one is really super comfortable, and this is my first time using this size, and I'm kind of surprised, to be honest. And I'm gonna show you why, and hold on just a sec. So as you guys can see, I really love this bag. It's so comfortable, and it's so like it kind of flows on my body when I'm carrying it like this. Even if I'm carrying it like a handheld like this, it's still a really good bag, and pretty much I can get my stuff in and out of the bag. Plus when I'm carrying my daughter, because sometimes when she's lazy to walk, so I have to carry her. So it's so easy because I have this a bag on my other arm, and then I have my daughter on this arm. So probably that's why I like this book bag. It's because it is very comfortable and it's much easier for me to use, especially if you have kids. And plus, I can put more snacks on the inside as well. So if you guys are into bag, I highly recommend this size right here. Again, this is the Picotin on size 22, and this is my first time using this bag. And just like I mentioned earlier, since I got this bag, I've been using this bag a lot already, and I think I'm already on my second week of using this bag. This is how much I love this bag. I just wish I got this one in black and not in white color. It's just that because I'm afraid that there might be some color transfer from my jeans to the bag, but hopefully it won't happen. Just in case, you all you have to do is just kind of wipe it off right away. Just use a water wipes to kind of wipe all the discoloration in your bag. So that's it, guys. So thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.